Just a general question for the audience. How many of you all consume alcohol? Hands down, maybe a lot of you all. So here's an important update that you will have to know if you're consuming alcohol. Good morning, my name is Dr.Akshith. I'm an ENT surgeon from MAA ENT Hospitals. So I would like to enlighten a few facts about alcohol effects on snoring in the population. So what happens actually? So when we sleep, there is a nasal passage. The air travels through the nasal passage, through the throat, towards the lungs. Now this is the normal scenario that happens in everybody. So what happens when we take alcohol? Alcohol is basically a relaxant. That means it relaxes the muscles of the body head to toe. So the muscles in the throat, the muscles in the nose, they all get relaxed. So in a way to say, they kind of collapse. So when they collapse, the nasal passage and the throat are not able to accommodate air that normally was happening. So when this happens, the person can have difficulty in breathing during sleep without realizing that he has the difficulty. This is not a healthy issue, especially for the heart, for the brain, because from head to toe, as we all know, oxygen is an essential equity of life. So in case anybody is suffering with a snoring disorder, excessive snoring, maybe your spouse has noticed you snoring a lot, so please come down and visit MAA ENT Hospital in Jubilee Hills for further evaluation, because the snoring cannot be taken lightly, because your heart and brain are also at stake.